Hey there. Alright, video number 8. In this video we're going to talk about templates. Alright, now the template section can come in extremely handy. Now I'm just going to go and right click and close these, open up a new one, close out of that one because I don't want all of those on there. Alright, let's go ahead and show you how we can add templates, how to design the template layout, and that you can use for yourself or maybe share with other people. Let's just take a quick look. Let's go into the MetaTrader systems. Now there are two sets of templates folders. All right, there's one here, and this is the one that we really need to concentrate on. And there's another one, I believe, in here. All right. There's another templates here. You do not want to put your templates into this folder. All right, they go into this one, into the main section of your folders here where the installation is. All right, so that's where we can go ahead and add new templates in if we want. So we don't need to reopen the trading station again, or close it down and reopen it again for these templates to take, to initialize. You can use them straight away. Alright, now how do we go about adding templates? Well, let's go ahead and let's add some indicators on there. Let's go ahead and use like the moving average on there for the moment. Alright, and maybe we can go ahead and use another one, so like 50 or something like that. Okay, now what we do now is we can either right click, scroll down to template and choose save template, and then you'll have the templates directory automatically come up for you. Alright, and then we can save it whatever we like. Now I generally put an exclamation mark there and then give it a template name, the Forex Boss template example. Alright, and click on save. If we go back to our file structure, you can see now the template that I just made is now sitting there. And then we can copy this, right click, choose copy, and then we can save it to our desktop or something and zip it up and give it to our friends or what have you. Alright, now when you choose templates, if you use an indicator that doesn't come by default, i.e. you use a custom indicator, then you need to provide the custom indicator to your friends or whomever that you're going to share your template out to, because otherwise it will come up in, I believe it's either in the journal box or the alert box. It will let you know that the indicator is missing and you need to add it. Okay. The other way you can get to it is by this section here, and there's the templates, and you can save the template or even add new ones. Now I can go to a new chart, so like the British pound chart, and I can come back over to the template section and choose my my template that I just made, and then here it comes, it pops up. Now if you don't like the black background, okay, there's another way that we can go ahead and actually change the way that all of these look. Alright, let's just remove these out of the way. If we click right click here on the chart, either press F8 or choose properties, you'll then come up to two tabs, colors and common. Now on the colors tab you can actually go ahead and change the way things look. Alright, or you can physically go in, take a look and change, maybe so like the background to smoke white or something like that. A bar up, I tend to use like a Dodger blue, which is this one right here. The bar down, I tend to use red, and the bull candle, which is the ups, the upward candles, and then the bear candles. The bears always come down. Line graph, I guess I can leave the rest of it like that, and then choose OK. Alright, now I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. It's going to be a bit bright there for you, and go over to the candles, and that's how I normally have my chart. Now you can't see the prices on the right hand side here, so we're going to need to go back in again, choose properties, and choose the foreground to black or any color that you like. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to leave it this color for the time being, Okay, I believe these colors are okay for people that are colorblind. If not, I will change around my color scheme so they do a little bit more, so you can tell the difference between the two. All right, and then when you close down the trading station and start it up again, it will come back to the way it was. Alright, so there's no specific template that you need to save to have your backgrounds or what have you. It's just like when you're using indicators and stuff like that. Alright, so with that being said, I will leave you there for the moment, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.